Pharmacy is the end of the course and your body knows it.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say,
But you remember that you won't see your classmate anymore.
it's been a long day without you, my friend.
Hi sexy people of our English class, welcome to another video. How are you in this beautiful day? How are you? Nothing?
Really? This is our first video! Anyway, welcome to this fucking video.
Here we go.
And the topic is this. The subway. It's a beautiful way to transport into the city. It's empty, clean, and always, or sometimes, you have a pool and you can swim into the subway. Only for 5 pesos.
Empty? Often it's like a C5.
And what happened with the doors?
Hey, not these kinds of doors. We are speaking about the subway doors. You don't have any time or any space to enter.
Yes, but it wasn't my mistake, it was a production mistake. Two, you have to fight when you enter to the subway. Because when the doors open, you have to run for a place. Because you love the place and you want to sit there. Two, it's very common that you can find a lot of people in that place. And all of these are very different. For example, we have this person. Hi, how are you?
Hi, fine, thank you. And you?
Too fine. What about your family?
Oh, it's okay. I have a good family.
Oh, my family is bad because they are fighting a lot. My cousins and my aunts, they're fighting for a house.
And two, we have the opposite person. He is the...
Hi, how are you?
Well,
What about your book?
it's okay. The important people is...
They are impolite. Hey ladies and gentlemen, today I am selling these beautiful products. This product Danone is a strawberry yogurt. If you didn't eat anything in your breakfast, it is a good option for your health. It's only 5 pesos per bottle. Or if you want, you can buy this snow bottle limited edition of Coca-Cola. It's for your home. Or if you want, you can buy this coffee candies. It's all of this pack for 25 pesos. It's a little gift for your girlfriend, to your child, your boy or your girl. If you want some product, you can call me. Anybody want one?
Can you give me a pack of candies?
Oh yes, take one. Yes. Oh, only 25.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Let me see if this is an official coin. I think that this is official. See you.
See you.
I hope
Thanks.
that you enjoy it.
So, I am selling the CDs with all the super hits. For example, this. For only 10 pesos, you have more 200 songs for all the parties.
Amo sus errores.
Two, you can find the people that usually are sleeping. They are
can steal other things, I don't realize of nothing of that.
Well, this is all for us.
Please give us a like, and teacher, you can give us a 10.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you for being with us in this course. We love you.